Welcome to Spring LIB.
So for this problem, what we're going to want to do, we have logarithm-based derivatives that we're doing. In this case, what we have is f of x being equal to log base 10. The log base 10 is implied, so we can just call it the log of the square root of x. Now, we know that in this case, we'll apply the rule. We know that the log base b of u is equal to 1 over u times the natural log of b, and then times the derivative of u. So what we'll end up getting here for the derivative is 1 over u. In this case, the u is the square root of x times the natural log of b being the base, so the natural log of 10. And lastly, we want to multiply this times the derivative of the u portion, or the square root of x. And that's going to ultimately just end up giving us 1 over the square root, 1 over 2 times the square root of x. So with all this in mind, we can combine everything. We see that this square root of x times the square root of x will just give us x, and then the 2 we'll have out in front. So we'll get a 2x times the natural log of 10 with 1 over that. This will be our final graph of the function. And we see that if this is our f of x right here with base 10, we see that this would be ultimately the same result right here. If we were to graph f prime of x, we see we end up getting that portion. That's because the log, we can't have a negative value for x, so it's just going to be the positive portion of this graph that's the actual derivative. It's not differentiable in the negative values of x.